Hi, it's me Shreyas. Today, the title of my this story is "Good Characters Defeat the Bad Characters." Did you know on 28 March 2026, superheroes Binox, Granny Binox, Little Kitty, Smile and Learn, Homeschool Pop, Awesome, Matt Antics, Peter John defeated Royce Bedoys, Don David, Stingle Papa, Crying Kid, and four more, and said, "You're eight grounded," and locked the eight characters, and Scratch Garden said, "You are all grounded for stealing your behavior, and I try not to do that. And now you stop your crying, and now you stop your crying. Eight characters and the good characters have tied them up and put a dark room for them, and they have gone. Thanks me, submitted by Shrad Ganda, and my favorite colors are blue, brown, and orange. Bye.